Hello friends, this is Tanvi from Radiance Academy and welcome to our YouTube channel Radiance Knowledge Box. So today I'm going to tell you about animal tissues and mainly the ones which connect. So are you connected? Let's begin. Please welcome the connective tissues. So these connective tissues are of three types: supportive, fibrous and fluid. Supportive, like these banana loving minions. You can see how these minions support each other. The supportive connective tissues in the same way support our body structure. Next are the fibrous tissues, and the last one, the fluid tissues for transporting cells like this tiny fellow here. Let's start with the supportive connective tissues. By the word support, can you guess what are these tissues? You're right, the cartilage and the bone. Because you gave the correct answer, I think he started dancing now. Let him dance. We've got to learn some more now. So now, try doing this. Can you feel something in your nose? Does your nose remain in the same position when you press it? No, right? Let's look at another example. Has anyone done this to you? I hope not. But if yes, have you noticed that even if you press, twist or fold your ear and leave it, it comes back to its normal shape? This is because of our cartilage. Amazing, right? The cartilage covers the ends of our bones and also gives support to certain organs like your nose, ears, and windpipe. We've confirmed that there is cartilage in our ears and nose by twisting them. But you can't obviously do it to your windpipe. So let's move on. The cartilage consists of a clear ground substance called the matrix, which has large number of spaces, and these large number of spaces have one or more cells. Now let's see how this explanation looks like. Here it is. The matrix having large number of spaces which have one or more cells. Oops, the cartilage flew away. Bye-bye. Let's welcome the tough and strong bone now, which is the main supportive structure. The bone cells are embedded in a hard matrix. So you now know the reason for their toughness. That's right, the hard matrix, which contains calcium and phosphorus salts. So, do you think bones are salty? Don't try tasting them. So, the hard matrix is deposited in the concentric layers around a central canal. Here you can see that the yellow circle is the central canal and the blue concentric circles are the matrix. So, if there is so much matrix, someone has to adjust. So the bone cells occupy small spaces. Let's see how this looks like. The tiny bone cells and around it the hard matrix. Wow, what a dance, Mr. Bone. Oh, do you want to say something? Okay. He says, I'm sure you must have liked the video. So don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.